Diversity leads to greater thoughts, greater ideas, refinement, different perspectives, and truly improvement, right? So at Veeam, at any business you work for, and even in your personal life, you're trying to excel and continue to improve. And one of those ways is to get different lenses from the interactions you have with people and different perspectives. So definitely a positive. In terms of what we could do to help with diversity, back to what Alex said, I think it's about participation and earnest participation, right? So some of the great events we've had in the past with WIG events, we had a great panel in India where we had more male participants than we had females for the Women in Green event. And what it is a commitment to go and understand and empathize whatever diverse group you're trying to understand. And when you empathize, that's when you drive that connection we were talking about a little bit later. And when you have that empathy, some of the barriers that typically existed before kind of whittle down a little bit. So it's a big focus for us. Is my encouragement is to always participate into these things, look to learn something, and come away with, hey, that's something I didn't know before, and for both sides, like whichever group you're talking about.